nothing until you have known the love of God. If in your lifetime you could meet with everybody and could count all their name from here to yonder. But if you not come face to face with Jesus and His saving grace, then you know nothing until you have known the love of God. Until you know the loving hands that reaches down to fallen man and lift him up from out of sin where he has fallen, until you know just how it feels to know that God is really real. Then you know nothing until you have known the love of God.